Hey guys, Steve here from North Star Productions. Another quick tutorial here. I'm just going to show you how to connect your email once you're logged into the follow-up router. So here you're logged in. This is the first screen you're always going to see, which is the dashboard screen. So I'm just going to scroll down to settings, and in settings I'm going to go to, sorry, just got to move my video controls out of the way here. I'm going to go to my profile, scroll down again, and I'm going to pick email two-way sync. So that way you're going to get both incoming and outgoing email syncing. So I'm using a Gmail account here. Hit connect, choose a Gmail account. I'm using the Stone Shop owner account as my sample account. Sign in to Lead Connector for Gmail, hit continue, select everything here, continue. Just like that, we're connected. Emails are ready to send. So now from the Conversations tab here, as soon as I start getting some contacts uploaded, I can email them from the Conversations tab. Thanks guys.